Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about another important risk in funding rate arbitrage, slippage risk, and more importantly, how to minimize it with the correct timing and the right method. So, what exactly is slippage? Slippage happens when the price you expect to enter a trade is different from the price you actually get. This usually occurs when the market is moving very quickly or when liquidity is low and the order book is thin. In funding rate arbitrage, slippage can break your delta neutral structure. For example, if your long side enters at a very different price than your short side, your hedge becomes unbalanced. And if the price swings right after that, you might experience an unnecessary temporary loss, something we want to avoid as much as possible. Now, here's the good news. Slippage is not random. It can be managed and even heavily reduced if you understand market timing properly. To reduce slippage, you should open your arbitrage position during the quietest hours of the global financial markets. This is the period where volatility is the lowest, the price moves more smoothly, and you can execute your limit orders with much greater accuracy. Let me explain why. Across the three major markets, the United States, Europe, and Japan, there is a special time window every day. When all three markets are closed at the same time, that window is 7 p.m. to midnight GMT. During this time, the US market has already closed. Europe hasn't opened yet, and Japan is still sleeping. In other words, the entire traditional financial world is resting. This creates the calmest period of the day for global assets, including crypto. The order books move slowly, volatility drops dramatically, and the price becomes much more stable. And this is exactly what we want for arbitrage. For example, when you place a limit short order on one exchange and a market long order on another, doing this during a volatile period can be risky. Price can jump several ticks in 1 second, and your two entry prices may end up far apart. But when you execute your arbitrage during the 7 p.m. to midnight GMT window, you usually get much cleaner fills. Your limit order has a higher chance of being filled as a maker, and your market order gets executed close to your expected price. So here's the key takeaway. If you want to minimize slippage and maintain a perfect delta neutral structure, the best time to set up your arbitrage is between 7 p.m. and midnight GMT. Check your local time by yourself. This timing gives you the highest success rate, the smallest price gap between the two exchanges, and the most stable market conditions.